Welcome back to Tech Fueling. If you're hunting for the coolest tech toys of 2024, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 amazing gadgets that every tech lover should have in their collection. Each product is designed to blow your mind, whether it's with jaw-dropping stunts, high-tech features, or just pure fun. Don't forget all the links are in the description for your easy access, so you can grab these must-have gadgets on Amazon right now. But hurry, because some of these hot items might not be in stock for long. Imagine a spider that's not just a spider, but a tech marvel that spits mist and lights up the dark. Meet the DEERC Robot Spider, the ultimate Halloween prankster and beyond. This remote-controlled tarantula is more than just creepy. It's interactive with real spray mist and glowing lead eyes that make it look like an iron spider from another dimension. But that's not all. It's equipped with 2 demo crawling modes that let it scuttle around your floor with random music and eerie mists. Perfect for pranks, parties, or just freaking out your friends. This robot spider is a must-have for anyone who loves a good scare. And don't just think Halloween. This is a gift that'll thrill on birthdays, Christmas, or any time you need a little creepy fun. If you're looking for a flying experience that's both fun and foolproof, the Holy Stone HS190 Mini Drone is your go-to gadget. This mini drone is perfect for kids and beginners, with features that make flying a breeze. One-click takeoff and landing, check 3D flips and tricks, double check. And with 3 speed modes, you can adjust the flying style to match your skill level. It even has an altitude hold function, so you can hover at a fixed height, making it easier to control. Plus, it's so compact that you can fold it into the controller and take it anywhere, perfect for parties, hikes, or just showing off in the park. Don't let its size fool you. This mini drone packs a punch. Next up, we have the upgraded Flying Orb Ball Toy hand-controlled boomerang hover ball that seems to defy gravity. This isn't just a toy. It's a mind-blowing experience. With a spherical design and powerful engine, this flying orb lets you perform endless tricks, making it look like you're controlling magic. Throw it, watch it float, glide, and even return like a boomerang, all with the flick of your wrist. It's made from durable, impact-resistant materials, so it's tough enough for kids and adults alike. Whether you're at home, in the office, or outdoors, this flying orb is sure to captivate everyone around. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves cool gadgets and wants to amaze their friends. For the budding engineer or tech enthusiast, the Smart Robot Arm Kit is a game changer. This 2-in-1 science kit combines a robotic car with a fully functional robotic arm, making it an educational toy that's as fun as it is fascinating. The arm can move at multiple angles, rise and fall, and even grab objects, all while you program its movements. With simulation sound effects and a range of DIY accessories, this kit offers a hands-on experience that promotes STEM learning. Safe and durable, it's made from high-quality materials that ensure long-lasting use. Whether you're looking for a birthday gift or a way to spark an interest in technology, this smart robot arm is a surefire hit. Last but definitely not least, we have the 2024 remote control car snake, a stunt car like no other. This AC car can spin, roll, and even switch between car mode and ball mode with just the push of a button. With its powerful motor and LED lights, this snake car can reach top speeds and perform dazzling stunts, making it a hit with kids and adults alike. It's made from reinforced ABS plastic, so it's built to withstand all the bumps and crashes that come with high-speed racing. Plus, it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for double the fun. Whether you're racing indoors or out, this stunt car delivers thrills and excitement every time.